Hey guys, this is ccnaguy5202, and I'm gonna go and start working on the lab or the third book in the Cisco series, and it's gonna be LAN switching and wireless. So we're gonna go and start with the lab 131. This one's actually a review, so it's all the stuff that we already know how to do or should know how to do, anyways. But I'll go and do it anyways. All right. Let's see. They want you to use the 192.168.70 for 110 hosts. It's going to be a /25, and 54 is going to be a /26. So host computers will use the first IP available. All right, and router interfaces will use the last IP. All right, so go ahead and do the IP address scheme for that, or VLSM, anyways. And here we go. Let's go on cable. Host 1 F00, that's going to be a crossover from a host to a router. And then router 1 to switch 1, that's going to be a straight through. It's going to be a straight through again for the switch 1 to host 2. Alright, oh, and they also want you to use a console cable from host 1 to the router to log into the router. Alright. Now here comes the configuration. So desktop terminal, it's kind of like hyper terminal. Alright, let's go and configure this. Host name, router 1. Oops. For password sys. Oops. INTF00. So for our network interfaces, like we just said, it's going to be the last available IP. So for the lines or F00 subnet A, the last usable of a /25 is going to be the .126. So we're going to use IP address 192.168.7.126, and like I said, it's going to be a /25, so that's a .128. And then we're going to do a description. You got to make sure you get this description exactly right, or it won't give you credit for it. So host 1, let's do a no shut, exit, and then let's go and do the F01 interface. And this IP is going to be for the subnet B, or the second subnet, and that's going to be a /26. So the last available IP for that, it's going to be the .190. So 192.168.7.190, and a /26 is going to be a 192. Alright, and then the description, let's go and do that. Connection to switch 1, and then we'll do a no shut, and then WR for the rights to the configuration. Alrighty, that should be done with that. Oh, let's go ahead and do our host. Since those are going to be the first available, so it's going to be 192.168.7.1, and a /25 is going to be 128. The default gateway, the interface we just did, was a .126. 7.126. Alright, that one's good. Host 2, IP, last available for the subnet B is going to be 192.168. Or sorry, the first available is going to be .7.129, because the network ends at 128, and a /26 is going to be 192. And the default gateway that we just did was the last available for this network. It's going to be 190. And that should give you 100%. This is ccnaguy5202, and that's how you do this packet tracer. Thank you.